In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sky background in Blender. If you find this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing. Let's get right into it. First of all, we need to find ourselves a background, and for this I'd recommend going to hdriheaven.com. There's also other sites, but you're looking for a HDRI file basically. From here we can go through all of the different ones here and basically just pick one that we like. So let's say we like this one here. We basically need to go ahead, select the resolution, and then go ahead and download it. Now once we've downloaded it, we need to go back over into Blender, and we need to make sure first of all that we're on this mode here. This one is the viewport shading mode. Make sure on this one, as we won't be able to see it if not. And then you want to go down here onto your scene and make sure you're on this section here that says world. So from here what you need to do is you're going to see background, and then you're going to see color. So there's this little thing here, click on this and then go over to where it says environment texture. So it's going to start off by looking like this, and what we need to do is over here we need to go over to where it says open. We basically need to open the image that we've just saved. So press on the open button, and then in here go ahead and select the image that we've just downloaded. Now if you can't find it, you can actually go ahead and drag it from a different window into here, and it should go ahead and work. So if I go ahead now and I drag it from this other window, if I drag it into here, it should show up, and I can press open image, and then you want to just give it a second, and you can see there we go. That is the sky ready to go in Blender. And you can change some of the settings here if it's not quite right, but usually they're pretty optimized for Blender and they should be good to go. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe, comment down below that it helped, and let me know if there's any other videos you'd like me to make. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.